we just wanted to come from a different way.
My ears.
I did tell you, right?
You didn't warn you, man.
Did I not say George grenade?
Oh.
I didn't.
No, I didn't even probe mine. I just knew it was coming. I don't know. It's not for you. Mine's in my pocket.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh.
What did you say?
Is it just because it got abnormally loud in here?
Huh?
Oh yeah.